Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigeria News and Entertainment, a number one channel for celebrity news and gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get notification when a new story drops. So finally, Hausa actress Maryam react to her leaked nude video scandal. The gorgeous Hausa Kannywood actress has reacted to a viral nude video. Maryam accused her ex-lover of leaking her nude video. She said, "I am aware of the current trends and media outrage regarding the unfortunate leaked video, purported to be me, released via a number of social media platforms and viewed by thousands of people so far. Initially, I wanted to keep mute until security agencies concluded their forensic research and investigation." The recent statement from someone in person of Ibrahim Ahmed Rufai, popularly known as Diesel, leaves me with no choice but to break the silence. As a woman, actress and role model, I will not let this matter to be swept under the carpet. For the record, I want categorically state that this same man, Ibrahim Ahmed Rufai, has been in multiple occasions threatening to leak my video if I didn't give him money. As a woman, actress and role model to millions, I have been trying to protect my dignity through possible means, but without my knowledge, the 3-year-old video was leaked. For the record, I want to categorically state that in a situation like this, one needs to be very observant before any pro-announcement, but it is true that Diesel was my ex who then sneakily recorded me while I was changing. I am already in touch with associates for consultation, which may require taking legal actions against whoever is responsible for leaking it. I want to appreciate my family, friends, and particularly my fans for their compassion and sympathy concern in these trying times. Thank you, Maryam That was Maryam's reaction to the sex tape. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.